your ABC 7 First Alert weather forecast with meteorologist John Scalzi.
It's very similar to yesterday, actually. We've got a few more high-level clouds in the forecast because of a front sinking southward through the area, even as we speak. We've got 80-degree air temperature. We have a dew point of 69. Dew point actually kind of falling just a little bit. A wind out of the west at about 7, indicating that we are in that frontal boundary zone. Now, a frontal boundary is not a solid line where you cross it and everything changes. It's a zone of transition, and we are solidly in that now. We'll see over the next couple hours that wind switch even more to the northwest, and that drier air continue to filter in. Across the region, temperatures pretty much where we'd expect them to be. 82 degrees in Arcadia, Wauchula, Mayaca City. Northport coming in at 81, 80 in Venice, 79 in Inglewood, 76 in Longboat Key, 83 in Bradenton, and Parrish coming in at 82. Like I say, I think our temperatures today running a little above average. We'll probably top out around 84 or so in Sarasota. Tomorrow, I think the temperature that we have hit right now, 80 degrees, well, pretty much going to be our high temperature for the day. And the dew points will be even lower. As I mentioned, we're in the upper 60s right now, when yesterday at this hour we were in the upper 60s to near 70. I think we'll probably be in the 50s tomorrow, upper 50s. So it'll be a delightfully refreshing breeze out of the northwest for the remainder of the afternoon and into the evening. The frontal boundary itself sinking southward lets high pressure build in behind it. Little trough of low pressure exits, taking the rain chances with it. So we don't get much rain chance out of this frontal boundary, even though sometimes at this time of year with a frontal passage, you might get a thunderstorm or two. Any showers or possibly even an isolated thunderstorm would occur over on the other coast, on the east coast. We won't have that issue here. High pressure will then bring us some very pretty conditions. Now, morning fog. So after midnight tonight, it's possible that we could get some patchy fog, but the winds are going to be picking up, so that is not going to last. When you wake up tomorrow morning, there's not going to be a fog issue around. We'll have a sunny afternoon today. We'll have a sunny afternoon tomorrow and the day after, I think. Warmer than average temperatures today, but that goes away tomorrow. So the forecast looks like this. Dry conditions across the state. We've got a few scattered showers out in Gulf waters. If you're going to be boating today, be aware that, one, if you're going far offshore, you could pick up a shower, but two, those winds are going to pick up as we head into the afternoon. Still a lot of rain shower activity to the north of us. Those rain showers all part of a little piece of upper level energy that's exiting off the Atlantic coast, taking the rain shower likelihood with it. And then back to the west, another storm system moving onshore, producing a lot of coastal rain up and down the west coast. Really almost the entire length, stretching from northern Washington state all the way down through mid-California. So pretty impressive rainfall pattern there. Thunderstorm outlook for us today, really, it just really doesn't exist. In fact, we'll be lucky to see a drop of drizzle over the next 5 days. The little packet of energy races off the Atlantic coast. The frontal boundary itself sinks south. Now, maybe over the weekend, by the time we get to Sunday, we might see a couple of showers kind of working their way a little bit closer to us. And perhaps on Sunday, we can factor in a 20% chance of rain, mostly because in addition to this breeze causing some of the showers to try and move across the state, we'll also get a frontal boundary through here. So the combination of the two might help to bring us a shower or two on Sunday. Southwest wind turning to the northwest with a 10 to 15 knot flow. It'll get a little bit breezy out there, moderate chop later in the day, boaters. And the forecast calls for a very nice Saturday. And then Sunday, the front comes through with that 20% chance of rain, which lingers into Monday. But then check it out. That second front lowers our temperatures even a little more. And we have daytime highs in the upper 70s, Scott.